Hey Palak,
Hi Palkin, do you remember how many months we have missed the school?
we aren't happy. We're really not enjoying these holidays.
Hey, today is 5th September, Teachers' Day.
Every year, we used to celebrate this great occasion with great energy and zeal. But this year, unfortunately due to the pandemic, we aren't able to do so.
Let's make our teachers feel that how important they are to us and how much we love them.
Let's put our best efforts to make Teachers' Day 2020 a brighter and shiny one during this tough time. Although virtually, we want to extend the warmth of love to all of you.
We'll hope you like it and enjoy it too.
The majesty and glory of your name fills all the earth and overflows the heavens.
I have come to thee to take thy touch before I begin my day. I have come to thee to take thy touch before I begin my day. Let thy light shine upon my face for a while. I have come to thee to take thy touch before I begin my day.
O Lord, when I look up into the skies, I see the work of your hands, the moon and the stars you have made. You have put man in charge of everything you made. O Lord, I will praise you with all my heart and tell everyone about the marvelous things you do. I will be glad, yes, filled with joy because of you.
I have come to thee to take thy touch before I begin my day.
A reading from the Bible. You are the light of the world. A city built on a hill cannot be hid. No one, after lighting a lamp, puts it under the bushel basket, but on the lampstand, and it gives light to all in the house. In the same way, let your light shine before others, so that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father in heaven.
We are called to shine like a light in the darkness. As teachers, we are specially called to be lights, illuminating brightly in the prism of every child's life, revealing the rainbow of possibilities through our teaching, guiding, and leading them day by day. As our former president, late Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam puts it, if a country is to be corruption-free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel that there are three key societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, mother, and the teacher.
My heartfelt greetings and salute go to my dear teachers on the occasion of their great day. As we all know, Teachers' Day is set apart to honor those noble souls who make our future bright. Today we have every reason to rejoice and celebrate, for we have before us gems of great value, our teachers. With their remarkable contribution, exemplary life, and dedicated service, our school has reached great heights thanks to their indomitable spirit and noble ideals. At a time when the whole world is affected severely due to a mammoth pandemic, we have an added reason to pay a humble homage to our dear teachers. Dear children, your teachers have left no stone unturned to carry on the classes smoothly, so that your studies should not get interrupted and affected by this COVID. And I can proudly say that they have succeeded in this noble mission. They adapted themselves to the fast-changing scenario and swiftly and efficiently transmuted from offline to online classes. They could do all this because of their commitment and love for their mission of teaching. Let us give a big salute to our dear teachers who strive to make a difference in your lives with their tireless efforts. As for me, I consider it as a great privilege to have a wonderful and efficient team. I thank God for the gift of each of you. Your support and guidance have been my rock and strength in carrying out the responsibility as the manager of this institution. Thanks to each one of you for being part of this Marian family.
I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. God bless you.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राह पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
ज्ञान शक्ति समृद्ध तत्वमाला विभूषित भक्ति मुक्ति प्रदित च तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Salutations to the Guru who personifies knowledge and power, the one who has bestowed us with worldly wisdom. Warm greetings to Reverend Father Manager, respected Sister Principal and our beloved teachers. Today on this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I am here to pay a hearty tribute to our very dear teachers for their valuable contribution in building our nation's future. September 5th commemorates the birth anniversary of our former President, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was not only a political figure but also a great teacher in the true sense. Hence, his birthday is the perfect day to express our love and appreciation to our teachers for their valuable contribution in shaping the future of tomorrow. The outbreak of COVID-19 has left the country shut its door to contain the spread of coronavirus, leading to disruption in the lives of people. But our great teachers of our academy have embraced the present situation with grace and used it as a growth opportunity. Our teachers have been incredible as they leapt with zeal, commitment and creativity into this new way of online teaching. And as Bill Gates said, technology is just a tool in terms of getting the kids to work together and motivating them. The teacher is the most important. Strong leadership is the foundation of school success, and without Father Manager and Sister Principal, that would not be possible. Words cannot describe how thankful we are for the work you do. You are the glue that keeps Longville together. Your ability to nurture positive approach in us and your constant belief in us inspires us all to learn new things. Lastly, I want to end this speech with a quote dedicated to all the teachers. A teacher is a compass that activates the magnet of curiosity, knowledge and wisdom in pupils. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Teachers' Day. When alphabets were alien to me, you were there. When my hands shook while writing, you took them to your care. The times when you taught me how to stand in a queue, the manners with which I speak today is only because of you. You held me when the winds blew strong, and the way you punished me when I went wrong. You are the reason why I am me today. So why should I dedicate to you just this day? For me, every moment is a teacher's day. People will leave, but your teachings will stay. To all my teachers, parents, friends, who have taught me something in some way, all that I have to say is Happy Teachers' Day.
When I am down and all my soul surround
greetings to Reverend Father Manager, Honorable Sister Principal, and all our dear teachers. Today, on this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I am here to pay a humble tribute to all the great teachers. Rarely does someone get to influence a person's life in a positive way for a lifetime, as a teacher can, fostering optimism and confidence, providing knowledge that leads to success, and being a good role model, as you have, and you are, and you will forever. We will remember you always. As a student, I cannot thank you enough. Whatever I will say will be less, because no amount of words can suffice how much you all mean to us. To all the teachers of St. Mary's Academy, Sirsava, we thank you all for your genuine efforts, patience, and positive encouragement. गुरु आपकी ये अमृत वाणी हमेशा मुझको याद रहे. जो अच्छा है, जो बुरा है, उसकी हम पहचान करें. मार्ग मिले चाहे जैसा भी, उसका हम सम्मान करें. दीप जले या अंगारे हों, पाठ तुम्हारा याद रहे. अच्छाई और बुराई का जब भी हम चुनाव करें, गुरु आपकी ये अमृत वाणी हमेशा मुझको याद रहे. Thank you and a very happy Teachers' Day to you all.
Today, on this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I, Mahim Chaudhary, and I, Nida Anjum, have got to tell you something straight from our hearts. We all have come to your class to learn and to grow. But what has really touched us is the love that you have given to us. Oh teachers, you have made a difference in our lives. And for this, you have used all your experience and shaped our thoughts, changed our minds. You have used the best method you could find to develop our personalities and mold our minds.
And this day gives us the privilege to convey what we really feel. Especially this day, after months of pandemic sufferings, we have realized the real value of a motivator and a guide, and that's you, my teacher.
We are fortunate to have you all to hold our hands and lead to the right path. Let the situation could any be. Thank you so much for being always there for us.
Thank you, dear teachers.
With one flame of education, you initiate a movement towards enlightenment. And the light goes on and on from a child to the family and generations to come. This Teachers' Day, I wish and pray that each one of you may burn like a shining lamp to continue to enlighten others eternally. Thanks be to COVID-19 in helping us to realize that we are bound together as one Marian family. Today, in a special way, we realize how much we love our teachers, how much we miss their voice and their encouragement. St. Mary's Academy, through this small program, wishes to convey to all our dear teachers that we are proud of you. On behalf of the entire Marian family, I take this opportunity for being with us in the holy service of wisdom. May God bless you.
Palak, didn't we enjoy the program?
All of us have put concerted efforts to bring a cheer on our teacher's face.
I am sure they all have enjoyed the program. I can feel their love.
Thank you so much, all of you. Whatever we have done today is the result of your guidance and inspiration.
We all love you so much. Happy Teachers' Day.